Hey guys, today let's make super spongy and soft and delicious beetroot bread. Here you can see its a texture, it's so soft and spongy. Without any maida and sugar we can make this bread. So without any delay we'll start this process. So for this, take a jar, add half cup of jaggery powder, 1/3 cup of curd and 2 ilaichi or cardamom, grind it to a paste. Grate one medium size beetroot, keep it aside. Now strain the jaggery and curd mixture so that there should not be any particles left. So strain it nicely. Now in this add 1 to 2 tablespoons of refined oil. You can use any unflavored oil, mix with the spatula or the whisk if you have. Now add 2 cups of wheat flour, and here I am adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk powder, pinch of baking powder and half tablespoon of baking soda. Add very little water to activate the soda. Now mix it gently with the help of spatula. Now add the milk little by little. Don't add more milk at a time. The batter should be little thick. So now gradually mix all the ingredients in cut and fold method. Now add the grated beetroot. Now mix everything. Meanwhile, preheat the oven at 200 degrees for 10 minutes. So this is the perfect consistency of the batter. So the batter should drop slowly. So now take a cake mold and grease it with some oil and add the batter into it. Spread it evenly and tap it so that there should not be any air bubbles in the batter. Now bake the bread at 170 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes. Insert the toothpick and check if it is cooked well. Once it is cooled down, cut into pieces and enjoy. If you like the video, don't forget to click on like button. Thank you. Thanks for watching.